I can't do this.
Hello guys! Today on Roblox we are playing a game of Ernest Dan TDM 44's Place 138 and it is created by me. Now in this video you can see we have something different than level crossings. We'll come and find out. So let's take a look at the tornado sirens here and enjoy. Right, you are broken wheeling, so I'm gonna have to fix the wheeling in another day because tomorrow I have school and Will apparently is a bit nervous tomorrow. He won't be able to call me whole day. Should I tell you guys why? Or do you want him to tell you? So basically, he is going to college for the first time. So basically, if you guys are like more into school or something, then please like the video because you're basically learning college, which is what Will's doing. Will, how do you feel about going to college?
I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Oh god. I hope you actually pass your first time. How often are you gonna go there? I don't know. 3 days. This is a pass orbit. This is weird. Warning! A tornado has come. Next on, we are looking at the fire sirens. These sirens were actually introduced in the 1960s when when there were fires, people who had fires outside or inside. When there were big fires anywhere, these sirens were always sounding. And this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounded like in the 19th century. In the 1960s, they used a siren to alert people that a fire was nearby. Okay, I'll stop right. There we go. This one. Next, we are looking at we are looking at the police alarms. This basically means that attacks or something. This is what it sounds like. It was louder in the 1960s. In 1968, these sirens were used in the 19th century, and it's still here. Next, we had a small hitch, as we've seen in the siren. That is not realistic. Welcome to this siren, which actually looks like it's 2001. When you actually play it, it sounds different. This is what they used in the 1960s. This is what they used in the 1970s when people were using when people in the 16th century in the 16th century, people used this siren to alert them about tornadoes incoming to them. And now the 2001 Faraday signals have taken them over. Okay, shut up. In 2001, when Will was born, they used Faraday 2001 Faraday signals, and whatever. In 1960, when they used it as a joke. And then they actually used photo signals. They were thinking like, oh, we wasted money on this. Oh, I know, we will just build it. And they did. And this is what it did. Next, we took a sneak peek at this siren. That's a tornado. Let's go and check out a tornado, which I've been working. Hi guys, at freeford station of Crossing and Polgate. I did this video before. I did this video in 2016. Busy high street. Busy station, hey. It's got halogens. Doesn't work. One of your alarms don't work anymore. Guys, do you actually see something in that corner? What? Let's go closer. What? You have got to be kidding me.
Do it.
William, you, oh God. Will, this is ridiculous. You have to see this.
It worked. It worked.
Sirens activated. Left crossing's going up. It has to stay down. Left crossing has to stay down. There's a train literally that fills up the whole line.
The next train to arrive.
Hi guys, at freeford station of Crossing back in Polgate. This alarm is broken.
Right.
Doesn't work anymore. That alarm from 2004, what Adam told me. We have literally been like set here for 6 minutes and this alarm's broken. Was that actually suck you? I'm trying to. Whoa, it kills you!
How very rude.
Right, time to get out of my Beatles. Right, it's time for tornado siren battle. Time to get out the sword. Where's my sword? Here. Boom! Finish it off. Finish it. Finish it. There we go. What is it? I had just beaten a tornado in 2000. Oh, this alarm, it's about you just flickered. And now you can raise. It's gone back in. 6 carriage. Right, we'll see you guys. Okay, guys, that is the end. That is the end of the video. I thank you guys for. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, smash the like button. Will, how many likes do you think we will get?